Lord of the Greenwood. One summer morning, many years ago, Robert, Earl of Huntingdon, and Marion were in a church. It was their wedding day. Just as they were about to be married, the door burst open. It was the Sheriff of Nottingham. "Stop the wedding!" shouted the Sheriff. "You are an enemy of the King." "Me? King Richard's enemy? Never!" answered Robert. The Sheriff said that his friend, Prince John, was the new king, while King Richard was away. He told Robert that he no longer owned his castle, his land, or his title, and ordered the guards to arrest him. But Robert was too fast. He escaped the guards and rode away on a horse into the forest. Soon after, a group of men stopped him. "Get off the horse and give us your money," one of them said. Another man in the group, Will Scarlet, recognized Robert and told the others to stop. He explained that they were all outlaws who lived in the forest and that the Sheriff of Nottingham was their enemy. "From today, I am an outlaw too," said Robert. "Guy of Gisborne has got my title and my castle." "You can join us," one of the men suggested. "Be our leader against Gisborne and the Sheriff." That evening, as the men gathered around the fire, Will Scarlet presented Robert with a bow and arrow and a green hood to wear. "Thank you," said Robert. "Sherwood Forest is my castle now, and my name is Robin Hood." The men all cheered loudly. "Robin Hood, Lord of the Greenwood."